So to figure out which ones are equivalent, we first have to take this, which I've rewritten down here, and take a look at what's the same. So we have 5x minus 20x, which gives you a negative 15x. And then you have negative 15 plus 10, which gives you a negative 5. So we have to find some, and we're going to rewrite that, we have to find some that look like this right here, negative 15x minus 5. So let's start with this first one. I'm going to put a 1 right there, make it negative 1. So I'll rewrite this as 5x minus 15, because I'm going to distribute this negative 1, minus 20x, that goes right there, plus 10. Well, if you look at this, this is actually the exact same thing as the one up there. So A actually works. Let's take a look at the second one. We have 5x, and then we're going to take the 5x and subtract the 20x, so we get negative 15x, and then negative 15 plus 10 is negative 5. So B also works. And then on C, we're going to distribute this 5 to everything on the inside. So it's going to be 5x minus 15 minus 20x, and then minus or plus 10. And that's the same thing that we have up there, so C works. Same thing for D, I'm going to distribute. This is negative 5 times negative x, which gives you a positive 5x. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Negative 5 times 4x is negative 20x. And negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Once again, same thing as above. Oh, hold on, there we go, we got our circle. Okay, and then on this one we have negative 15x minus 5. Hey, that's the same thing as down here. And then finally we're going to distribute this negative 5 in, so we have a negative 15x and then minus 5. So guess what? All of them work. You should be selecting every single one, A, B, C, D, E, and F.